Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable two-step verification on Google account security step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone. Go to My Account, Google.com and sign in with your Google account. On the left menu, click Security. Scroll until you find the section called Signing in to Google. Click Two-Step Verification. Click Get Started. Enter your Google password again if you are asked to confirm it. Choose how you want to get verification codes, starting with your phone number. Type your phone number carefully, including the correct country code. Select text message or phone call as the first method. Click Next to receive a verification code. Check your SMS messages or answer the call to get the code. Enter the code on the screen exactly as you received it. Click Next to confirm the code is correct. Click Turn on to activate two-step verification. After it is on, go back to the two-step verification settings page. Find the option called Authenticator app for stronger security. Click Setup under Authenticator app. Select your phone type, Android or iPhone. Then click Next. Install Google Authenticator or another trusted authenticator app on your phone. Open the Authenticator app and choose to add a new account. Scan the QR code shown on your Google screen with your phone camera inside the app. If you cannot scan, choose the option to enter the setup key manually. Your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code that changes every few seconds. Type the current 6-digit code into the Google setup box. Click Verify to finish adding the Authenticator app. Next, set up backup codes so you can sign in if your phone is not available. Download or print your backup codes and store them somewhere safe and private. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.